Unleashing the Dragon, a guide to Dragon Kung Fu kicks. Dragon Kung Fu is a fascinating martial art rooted in ancient traditions, where the power of the mythical dragon inspires a unique style of movement and technique. Among these techniques, the dragon kicks stand out for their effectiveness and fluidity. In this informal tutorial, we'll explore some key dragon kicks that can serve as both defensive maneuvers and powerful attacks, showcasing how the dragon's legendary might translates into martial arts. At its core, Dragon Kung Fu is about harnessing power through grace and precision. One of the most renowned techniques is the low kick, a swift and surprising move. Picture this: you're facing an opponent who thinks they have the upper hand. You drop low, twist your hips, and unleash a swift kick to their knee. Not only does this disrupt their balance, but it also demonstrates the effectiveness of targeting weaker points. The low kick can be a game changer, making it a quintessential part of the dragon kicking repertoire. Next up is the side kick, another killer move that embodies the spirit of the dragon. When executing a side kick, you want to pivot on your supporting foot, extend your leg, and drive your heel toward your opponent. This kick can be powerful and precise, creating distance while keeping the opponent at bay. Not to mention, it's a great way to defend yourself while delivering a nasty shock to anyone who thinks they can get too close. Imagine delivering that side kick with the speed of a dragon swooping in for an attack. Then there's the sweeping kick, a move that's all about finesse. This technique requires you to stay low and move fluidly, sweeping your leg around to knock your opponent off balance or make them stumble. It can surprise even seasoned fighters. And let's not forget the exhilarating jumping kicks. These moves involve launching yourself off the ground, adding an unexpected vertical component to your attack. The dragon's agility is reflected in these kicks, which can be a real showstopper in any sparring match. While they may take some practice, the thrill of executing a perfect jump kick can make you feel like you're soaring. In conclusion, Dragon Kung Fu offers a range of powerful kicks that not only protect yourself, but also serve as formidable offensive techniques. The beauty of these kicks lies in their fluidity and effectiveness. Whether you're unleashing a low kick or soaring through the air with a jumping kick, each move embodies the strength and grace of the legendary dragon. So, take these lessons, embrace your inner dragon, and prepare to impress your opponents with those killer kicks. Happy kicking!
Just like this. 1, 2, 3. Number 4, squats, jump, touch both knees like this. Number 5, once you go left knee first. Go 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Kick and jump. Same time. Number 6, run. Right. Step number 7. 1, 2, 3. Your toe go this way. Your arm to bring you go up. Jump with your knee. As well. Knee.